But the problem is the income is only $61,000 per year. And they were being pitched another one from another advisor. Unfortunately, you just can't get as much from some of those variable contracts. Hey there, I am John Stevenson. Welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today I'm going to be talking about a couple that I'm helping right now with an annuity contract. And let me give you the details. They have an annuity right now with Equitable. It is a variable annuity. Okay, they started out with $600,000 and it's grown to $936,000. That's the accumulation value. That is the surrender value. But the problem is the income is only $61,000 per year. He's 72. His wife is 77. And they're going to get $61,000 for a single life, which is a problem when you're married. Because if you get it for a single life, that means it's only good for your life. And then once you die, if there's anything left, they'll get the balance of the account. But if you've been taking income for long enough, there probably won't be any balance left. You know, that's the problem. And the income does not continue. And so we were looking for joint income payouts, and they were being pitched another one from another advisor. And the payout was a little bit higher. It was like $66,000 per year. So another $5,000 a year in income. And that was joint income. So that was good. So they were going to get joint income. But they reached out to me because that advisor was only showing them one product. And so the problem is when you're only being shown one product, you start to realize there's a lot more out there. And there's hundreds of options out there. And so what we did is we pulled up an annuity, let's see, $936,000 premium from his Equitable, okay? And it would pay him $76,000 per year. So $10,000 more than the other guy was trying to sell him, and $15,000 more than their original contract. Okay, and it's a fixed index annuity with an income rider. It's guaranteed for life. It's guaranteed for both of their lives. So definitely a superior product if they're looking for lifetime income. If they want to stay in the market, then they should just keep their variable annuity. But they're looking for guaranteed income, and that is just, unfortunately, you just can't get as much from some of those variable contracts. The way this works, though, is he's going to put $936,000 in. He's going to get a 25% benefit base, and then that pension value is going to be $1.17 million, and that would be multiplied by a 6.65% joint withdrawal rate. Okay, so that's how this is working. When you have a bonus, and if the bonus is used correctly, and you have a high lifetime withdrawal rate, then it equates to a very high guaranteed lifetime payout. And so in their case, it's the best payout for joint as well. So anyways, I want to share this with you because if you're looking for annuities and you're being pitched one or two products, you might want to look around because there's a lot out there. Okay, on my website, johnstevenson.com, I've got calculators. They tie into all of the carriers, and all the raw data comes straight through, and you'll be able to see the results instantly. So feel free to use the calculators as much as you want. The income rider calculator typically will pay you more, but just go to johnstevenson.com and do that. And then if you want to book a call and you're thinking you'd like to purchase an annuity, I'd love to help you. So you can book a call with me there. It'll be a Zoom meeting, or you could click the link right below this video, and it will allow you to book a meeting with me as well. If you just got questions, just comment below or send me an email. John@johnstevenson.com. That's fine too. So happy to help how I can. I try not to be salesy, try not to push products. I'm just sharing stories about here are annuities people are buying. Here's what it's doing for them. If you're interested, you should also do research and find out what's best for you. You know, that's the best way to sell an annuity, in my opinion, is to educate people, show them what's available, and then allow them to make their decision. Because you know when you're being sold, you know when someone's trying to sell you one or two products. It's a lot better if you're able to just see what's available on your own, kind of like Zillow. You can go to Zillow and search for houses before you talk to an agent. Well, you should be able to do the same thing with annuities. And at my website, you can do just that. So search, decide which one's best for you, and then reach out. I'm happy to answer your questions. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, like, subscribe, share, comment below, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.